Your agents get their list of hot leads for the day. But before the calls even begin, hours are lost in preparation. They start digging into past conversations, jotting down notes, categorizing leads. By the time a deal could have been closed, they're still getting started. And they're already behind. What if your agents had it all in just clicks? No extra time for preparation, no second guessing, just focused on selling from the first call of the day. That's how KrispCall, the AI-powered phone system, keeps your agent's productivity intact. Here's how you do it. Start by logging into your KrispCall dashboard. Give access to the phone number your agents will use for today's calls. Head over to the contacts and filter the user tags. Now, copy a contact from your hot lead list and search for it. Click on the log, and everything your agent needs is right there. Contact's key details, past notes, tags, and even the call recording from the last conversation. Want to skip replaying the call? Generate AI transcripts instantly and scan key moments in seconds. Ready to call? Click the call button right in the call box. While on the call, KrispCall auto-records everything, and your agents can add fresh notes, apply tags, and keep the profile updated in real time. If you close the deal, just mark the contact as closed, or use other status options that fit. No more switching tabs, chasing notes, or second-guessing past calls. With KrispCall, your agents spend less time preparing and more time selling. Visit KrispCall.com and experience smarter lead management today.